Hi everyone. Welcome back to Learn Real Life English. Today, we're going grocery shopping, cooking pasta for dinner, and enjoying an evening walk. I'll speak slowly and clearly, and we'll have conversations so you can learn real sentences. Let's start. This afternoon, I'm going to the supermarket. I need to buy food for dinner. I take a shopping basket. First, I go to the vegetable section. I see fresh spinach, red tomatoes, and green peppers. I pick up some tomatoes. A shop assistant comes over. Excuse me, are these tomatoes fresh?
Yes, they were delivered this morning.
Great. I'll take some. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Next, I choose some garlic. Garlic adds flavor to food. Now I go to the pasta section. Another shopper is standing there. Hi, have you tried this brand of spaghetti before?
Yes, it's really good. It cooks evenly.
Thanks, I'll try it. Finally, I go to the dairy section for cheese. Do you have Parmesan cheese?
Yes, it's right here on the top shelf.
Perfect. I'll take one. At the checkout, the cashier greets me.
Hello, did you find everything you needed?
Yes, thank you.
Do you need a bag?
No, thank you. I have my own. Here's a phrase for you. I am buying groceries. Repeat. I am buying groceries. I'm in my kitchen now. Let's make a simple pasta dinner. Ingredients: spaghetti, tomatoes, garlic, olive oil, salt and pepper, Parmesan cheese. First, I fill a pot with water. My friend walks into the kitchen.
What are you cooking?
Pasta with tomato sauce. Want to help?
Sure. What can I do?
Can you cut the tomatoes while I chop the garlic?
No problem.
While the pasta cooks, we prepare the sauce. Heat some olive oil in the pan.
Okay, it's hot now.
Add the garlic. Be careful, it cooks fast.
It smells amazing already.
We add the tomatoes and stir. Can you taste it and see if it needs salt?
Maybe a little more pepper.
When the pasta is ready, I drain it. We mix it with the sauce and add cheese. Dinner is ready.
It looks delicious. Let's eat.
Here's a sentence. The pasta smells delicious. Repeat. The pasta smells delicious. Today, we practiced real-life English in 3 places: the supermarket, the kitchen, and during an evening walk. We learned useful words and sentences you can use every day. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and comment with the next activity you want to learn.